Alright, now if you're into customizing your home screen with some beautiful looking clock widget or calendar widgets, then you will be delighted to see this application I'm presenting you today. This is called Widgeet. It's spelled as W-I-D-G-E-E-T, and this is an incredible application which you should have discovered long ago. And this is not a KWGT widget pack. You don't need a KWGT Pro key, or you don't need to download a widget pack to set all these beautiful looking clocks on your home screen. This is a standalone application which offers some beautiful looking widgets, and you will be surprised to see the degree at which you can customize the clock and calendar widgets on this application. Let's dive in and check out this application, and you let me know what do you think about it in the comment section below. And while you do that, be sure you subscribe to the channel to watch some amazing contents which will be really useful in your day-to-day life. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive in and let's open the application. As you can see, it's a very simple interface. The moment you open the application, you will see some music player widget. I frankly didn't like these music player widgets on this application, so we are focusing only on the clock and calendar widgets. Let's swipe towards the right to open the clock widget tab. As you can see, we have got some fantastic looking clocks here, and they are in so many different shapes and colors. Let me just tap on this second clock here, and here you go. We've got so many customization options here at the bottom. You can see we have got different sizes here. We can tap on small, medium and large depending on your requirement. Then we've got 12 and 24-hour clock option here. And on the left, you can see we can remove the background or keep the background as it is. Now, right below that, we've got material hue theming as well. The moment you tap on this icon, it says the color scheme is generated according to the current wallpaper and system configuration. Now I'll switch back to the original one, and I'll select one of these colors here. As you can see, we have got this color slider. We can select any color we want by just sliding on this bar, and we can also change the transparency of this widget right here. That is just amazing. Then what's more interesting here is we can change the orientation of this clock. You can make it vertical or in two different splits. You can set this digital clock. To add it to the home screen, all you need to do is just tap on this add to home screen, and here tap on add. As you can see, the widget has been added now. If you want to change the size here, just press and hold on it and expand this widget. That is just perfect. Now let's go back to the application again. Let me open another clock here. Let's go with this analog clock. Again, here you can see the customization options. You can set different kind of dials here. We've got 4 different designs for the hands, and we also have different frames available here. And then we have got this material hue themes and the colors and transparency options. Again, just tap on add to home screen to set it on the home screen. That's perfect. Now let's go back again. Here, if I keep scrolling down, there are so many options here. There are so many clocks in different shapes, different sizes, different colors. They all look just brilliant. Now let's swipe towards the right to open the calendar widget. Here you can see we have got calendar along with the clocks, or we can set only the calendar widget depending on your preference. Now let me just open this particular widget here. As you can see, again, here we can change the hands design. We can change the indexes. We have got these color options here. And we can also flip this clock and calendar from right to left or left to the right. And this has got this cool shallow effect as well, which looks fantastic. Now let's go back. Let me just scroll down and show you the designs that we have got. As you can see, these are some beautiful looking calendar and clock widgets right here on this particular tab. Now let me swipe right again. Here we've got some device info tabs. We have got storage information, and we also have memory information. Basically, we have got RAM and ROM information in some simple looking designs here, and you can further customize it like we saw earlier. And once you set this up, automatically the storage and memory details will be synced with these widgets, which is pretty neat. Now I really wish, apart from these calendar, device info and clock widgets, we had more widget options to set them up on the home screen. I wish the developer will add more options here. For now, we have got player, which is music player, then we have got clock, calendar, and device information. These are the 4 categories we have, and these widgets are simply amazing and insanely customizable. Like I mentioned earlier, there is no KWGT app required. It's a standalone app with all these widgets available, and it's very simple to add them by just getting into the app. The other way to add them is by pressing and holding on the home screen. Tap on widgets, go all the way down to find widget here. Here we've got different sizes of widgets. You can select the one you want. Of course, you can expand them even if you select a smaller one here. Just tap on this and tap on add, and then tap on that particular widget to get into the application and select the widget that you want. That is Widgeet for you guys. Let me know, what do you think? Do you love customizing your phone? Drop a comment and let me know your thoughts about this application. I have left a link to download this application in the description below. Kudos to the app developer for offering such beautiful looking simple widgets, and I really wish they add more contents on this application. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel to know your phone better. If you haven't done already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you find this informational or useful. That's it. My name is Salian signing off. Until the next video, you guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.